Badhane Namaskar. In this playlist of videos, we've been learning to read and write the letters of the Gujarati alphabet. In this video, we move on to the third row of consonants, which are all uttered by the tip of the tongue hitting against the roof of the mouth. These are all called as Murdhanya Vyanjanas. The first of them is ta. It is written like this. Ta. 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 The second consonant is a Mahaprana variant of ta, which is tha. 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 The third consonant in this series is da. This is the softer sound, a sarala shabda from the same region in the vocal cavity. It is written like this. Da. 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 The next consonant is a Mahaprana variant of da, which is dha. 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 In this sequence of consonants, the final nasal consonant from the same region in the vocal cavity is na. Notice how to write this. Na. 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 So we have completed the third row of consonants of the Gujarati alphabet. In the next video, we'll move on to the fourth. Namaskaram.